Everyone, I'd like to show you these Railway Series pop-up books I bought on Amazon. This is Henry the Green Engine Gets Out, Thomas the Tank Engine Goes Fishing, Birdie the Bus and Thomas the Tank Engine, The Flying Kipper and Henry the Green Engine, James the Red Engine and the Troublesome Trucks, Thomas the Tank Engine and the Tractor, Henry the Green Engine and the Elephant, Percy the Small Engine Takes the Plunge, Percy's the Small Engine and the Scarf, James the Red Engine and the Signal, Thomas the Tank Engine Catches a Thief, and last but not least, Thomas the Tank Engine and the Scrambled Eggs. I love it. I'm Dan, and that's that.